Hi, I'm Mike DeLeo. Welcome to Mishop & Stone. So behind me you have a Pennsylvania bluestone quarry. It's the only place in the world you're going to find Pennsylvania bluestone is northern Pennsylvania and western New York. So here at Mishop & Stone there is a variety of colors of our bluestone. There's a West Mountain sandstone to my right, the bluestone's in the middle, and there's a lilac color or off color that's over on your right. Depending on what kind of stone it is, so if we have saw rock, we use big equipment like a loader. It would have big forks on it, and we would load that one rock or two rocks on top of what's called a straight truck. They would chain it down and haul it in.
Everything is usually a 2-inch material. Some are bigger. Like if you look at the size of the cubes, we try to get out the biggest we can. Sometimes you get a 5-foot by 4-foot sheet. That saw in here can cut up to 5 foot high. So you can get a 5-foot tall piece if you really wanted to. Each one of those, you probably load about 60 ton of rock on each one. Everything has to be within 1/8 of an inch. These other blades, these big blades that are over 1/4 inch thick, the tolerance is only 1/8. And if it's under that or over that, we can't use it. We have to use it for a different product. The pavers, we use the byproduct. So the ends, you see like the ends here on the ends of the tread? This is the drill marks from the cube it was originally a big piece of stone and now it's into a smaller one. But once you cut those ends off, you stack it, and that goes into a machine that tumbles the stone and creates the pavers. 60,000 PSI with water and sand or abrasive mixed with it in order to cut the stone. So you can cut radius pieces or shapes out of pieces. Here, these are paver stones. They're all different shapes that interlock together. You can see some circles over there, all kinds of different things you can cut.
This here is a bull-nosed edge. A lot of pool coping and stuff like that around pools. Do this for the thermal. And then up here, the countertops, I go through 5 different pads here over each piece to be able to make it nice and shiny. And then this is the bull-nosed bit that we use. We go all the way up to 4 inches or down to 1 inch.
After the long process, these are some of the many intricate products that make manufacturing at Mishop & Stone so cool.